Hey guys, this is How to Solution, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to add an Instagram post with music. So make sure to watch the video till the end to understand the process step by step. First, head over to Instagram, and then you will see a plus icon in the bottom center of the page. You need to click on it to add a post after you select a photo you wanna post. After you have selected the photo, you will see a music icon on the very top. After clicking on it, you will be shown all the popular and newest trending songs. You can also search for your desired music and it will show here. You can click on it to add the song. You can also scroll through the music to adjust which part of the song you want. Then click on the tick icon and then next. And then also you can add captions to your photos and then click on share. And there you go. This is how you can do it. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos like this, and I will see you in the next one.